catch me howling at the moon. Tryna catch me howling at the moon.
Probably.
That tree row with the bushes right in front of it is 190.
Left. Way left.
Where do you see him?
He's out there. You don't see him? He's pretty far.
Oh. Yeah, I see him.
He's a long way off. We still need to keep an eye out on this side too. Just watch your movement here, because the sound is between us and him. I wish that call was further left. Is he facing away?
Mm-mm.
He's still going right. I wonder why all of a sudden he just kind of started going that way.
It looks like there's a ditch line out there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's coming pretty good now. Yeah, don't forget to hit record.
Where is he?
Watch your movement. He's looking at us.
Yeah, where is he?
See the irrigation pivot? All the way at the left end. He's behind the grass. coming out the left end of it. Range the end of the pivot, the right end.
$290.
He's trying to. If you want to try to stop him, no, he doesn't see us. He's just trying to get the wind. I'm gonna howl, hopefully he stops. Ready? He may just go faster. Oh, there you go.
Count it.
No, if he stops, just kill him. Low and right. If he stops again, you were at his feet. He's 400 on that tree line. Oh.
This episode of Close Encounter Predator Hunts is brought to you by Fox Pro Game Calls, American-made game calls, Dark Night Outdoors, for all your thermal and night vision needs. One shot. It should only take one. MFK Game Calls. Sound better, kill more.
You're good. You can't even hear that. Do we have a range on it? Just watch your movement. Just watch your movement because that sound's coming this way. He has to hear that. Yeah, okay, we gotta lock in, no movement. You are. Just take our time. Do we have a range? I think he's probably 2 something. Yeah. He hears it now. How a kite's just not caring at all. Nah, he's too close. The sound's this way. You want to keep an eye on traffic for us, Gary? Got to keep an eye on traffic for us. He's going behind that hill, isn't he? I still got him here. When he stops, kill him. Yeah. Might hit him again. That guy.
2 hits.
That was great.
I feel that much over his back, you know.
We got a little redemption on that one. That one felt real good.
Yeah, look at all the tracks.
Yeah, it's covered up down here, isn't it?
Big tracks right there.
Yeah, it is.
That was a pretty big coyote too.
Yeah, that was a good one.
It looked dark. Didn't it?
Covered in tracks now.
I swear, John, I believe his gun's still shooting a little low. That first shot broke, his leg was swinging.
Yeah, he was hurt pretty bad.
I was aiming for his elbow.
Just trying to slow him down.
Just so Gary can get the shot off.
You hit the elbow.